So total quality management. In this unit 1, we are going to discuss about introduction about total quality management. Okay, in that what is the quality, what is the total quality management, all those things we will be discussed. Okay, that means basic concepts of total quality management. In that unit 1, we are going to discuss about definitions of quality and Tqm, basic needs of total quality management, and then contributions of teaming, Joran, Crossby, Tqm framework, history review of quality management, dimensions of quality, barriers to Tqm, benefits of total quality management, and quality councils and then quality statements. So these are the topics I am going to discuss in the unit 1. So in that I am going to explain the introduction about the quality and then Tqm. Okay, in that first. So what is my quality? So quality is nothing but each and every actions or every process. So there should be on time and then be attentive, then keep silence and then participate positively. So these are the things is very important. That means it define the quality. So based on the each and every human actions or human performance, it define the quality. Okay, quality of the product. See, if we are going to attend any functions or any event, means you should be on time. You should be in correct time. Okay, so and then be attentive. You should be in always attentive. You should not be physically present or mentally absent. That should not, it's not correct. Okay, so be attentive and also keep silence in any time on any occasions. You should be maintain the silence. You should only observe the content or detail. Okay, so always participate positively. Don't think any negative concepts. That's a introduction about quality. Okay, so based on some concepts, the quality will be defined based on quality is excellence that is better than a minimum standards. Okay, for developing any product or you are using any product, that product is based on one minimum standards. That's a quality is the excellence that is better than a minimum standard. Example, if you are using any product, that product is how we can identify the product is a quality product. That means it reaches this one minimum standard. So that's a quality. Okay, so quality is excellence that is better than minimum standards. Okay, so example, we can student we are getting the mark. Okay, so in simple, very simple, so 50 mark is pass mark. Okay, then 100 is maximum mark. Okay, that minimum is 50. Okay, if you got 50 marks means you are quality student. Okay, like that. If you are 70, you are more than have a high quality product, a high quality student. Okay, like that. It is a conformance to standards and a fitness of purpose. Okay, so another thing in ISO 9000 define of quality is nothing but it is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. That is called quality. Okay, it's defined by ISO 9000 concept. Okay, so in the Joran, so many authors define the quality. So in Joseph Zoran define the quality is nothing but quality is a fitness for use of the product by the customers. That is called quality in Joran concepts. Another one. Uh, Phillips classify. So Phillips classify define the quality is nothing but a conformance to requirements. So another Edward Deeming define the quality. Quality is something but a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to market. Okay, so quality is something but a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability. It should be a low cost and also suited to the current market. That is quality. Okay, so depend by the Edwards Deeming. So another author Bill Conway define the quality is something about development, manufacture, administration, and the distribution of consistently low cost and products and service that customers need and want. So based on the customer satisfaction, you have to develop, manufacture, and administrate, and consistently maintain the low cost like that. That's a quality. So depend by the Bill Conway. So these are the authors define the quality. So in Joseph's Joran, define the quality is something but a business for use. Phillips speak classify conforms to requirements. Deeming Edwards is a predictable degree of uniformity. That's a quality. Okay, so that should be in current situation. Okay, so Bill Conway development. There is should be a customer satisfaction. That is a quality. Okay, if the product is satisfied the customers, that's a quality product. Okay, so In basics, definition of quality is nothing but a conformance to specifications. So the degree to which a product or service meets the needs of the customer. So it starts by the product starts by the customer needs means it's a quality product. Okay. So uniformity around a customer defined target. Okay. So exceeding customer expectations. Okay. If a customer requiring some concepts, but it product is used for some additional product has some additional features means that's the expectations. So exceeding the customer expectation. Okay, the customer is the most important part of the this process. The quality is something but customer satisfaction. Okay, so that is main concept of quality. Okay, so quality meaning, so quality is nothing but fitness for use, excellence, conformance to requirements, way of managing the organization, correcting and preventing the loss, the totality of characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy the stated and the implied needs. Okay. So another total quality management definitions. So total is nothing but a make up the whole or complete. Quality is nothing but a degree of excellence a product or service provides to the customer in present and future. Okay. Management is nothing but a act, art or manner of handling, controlling, directing, etc. So this is management. So total is nothing but entire things. Quality is nothing but excellence, the degree of excellence that reach the minimum standards. So that is quality. So management is nothing but coordination. So it's nothing but total quality management. So finally, TQM is nothing but is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. That is called TQM. So TQM is nothing but it is an art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. Okay. So entire coordinations to make the product as successful. That is total quality management. Okay. So in that mainly quality is nothing but a customer satisfaction. In that, what is TQM? TQM is the integration of all functions and the process within an organization in order to achieve continuous improvement of the quality of goods and services. The goal is customer satisfaction. So no doubt about the humans are always deficient. Say that's a different by Kuran. There's a main aim is you have to satisfy the customer. That's the quality of the product. Okay. So why TQM is important? So TQM is important based on the meet competition, customer satisfaction, profit maximization, systematic approach, long-term commitment, continuous improvement, top management commitments. So these are the important in TQM. So these are the reason for TQM. Okay. So meet competition. So in current situation, so there are a lot of product is comes. So it meet the competition and then only the customer buy the product. Okay, many products, same concept, many products available. The customer have which one is best. The customer select and the product must meet the competition. Customer satisfaction. The product must satisfy the customer, and then profit maximization. Okay, so if you're developing your product, the product should be profitable product. So without profit, we are not going to develop any product. So it will be very loss. Okay, so systematic approach. Each and every organization company must follow the one systematic approach for developing or manufacturing the product. Okay, so long-term commitment. So long-term commitment is nothing but in future or if you are developing the product, that product is must use on 10 years after 10 years your product must be used. So based on that you have to develop the product long term commitment and then continuous improvement. So in every day or every year you have to add the additional features in your product. There is a continuous improvement. Another top management commitment. Okay, so the product must commit the top management people. Okay, that's a important of TQM. So another one is a need for quality. So quality is need based on the higher customer satisfactions, reliable product or service, better efficiency of operations, more productivity or profit, better moral and workforce, less wastage cost, less inspection cost, improved process, more market share, spread of happiness and prosperity, better quality of life for all. Okay, this is a need for quality. So quality is need for quality is based on customer satisfaction, announce reliable product and service, better efficiency of operations, more productivity and profit, better moral of workforce, less wastage of cost, less inspection cost, improved process, more market share, spread of happiness and prosperity, better quality of life for all customers. So that's a need for quality. So another one is TQM has six basic concepts. So these are the six basic concepts for total quality management. So first one is nothing but the total management commitment to TQM principles and methods and long-term quality plans for the organization. So the organization must follow TQM principles and methods and long-term quality plans. So then only it product the high quality products. And then another one is focus on customers, both internal and external. Okay, if you are developing the product, that should be based on customers. Okay, so based on customer requirements only we are going to develop. Without customer doesn't want to product means we are not going to develop. It's a very last product. Okay, that's internal or external. So another quality at all levels of workforce. So each and every level of product should be quality product. Okay. So another continuous improvement of the products or business process. So if in future if we have to add the additional the customer need additional feature means you have to add the additional features. That is a continuous improvement of the production or business process. So treating suppliers as partners. So you have to treat the suppliers as a partners in your company organization. Okay. So another establish performance measures for the process. You have to establish the performance measures for the process. So each and every product measure it reaches the quality or like that it starts with the customer. You have to measure the performance of the product. Okay. So another thing concepts dimensions of product quality. So there are 8 dimensions of product quality. One is a performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, perceived quality. Okay, so we will explain one by one. First one is performance is nothing but a primary operating characteristics. Your product must satisfy the basic characteristics. So that's called a performance. Another one is a feature is nothing but a secondary or special characteristics. That means your product must satisfy the customers as additional features like exciting offers like that. That's additional characteristics. That is a features. Sometimes the conformance is nothing but a specification of standards. So conformance nothing but each and every product must have some own standards. So that is some national standards or international standards or industry standards. It should satisfy the some conformance, the specification or standards wise. Okay, so it should follow one standards. Okay, so as reliability, it's a consistency of performance over time faith. It's nothing but a reliability. Consist of performance. Okay, you have to maintain the consistent performance, consistent product quality to the customers. And also durability. It's nothing but measure of product life, useful life, include repair like that. Okay, so each and every product has some life. You have to mention the expiry date like that. That is a durability. Okay, so useful life and then you can put repair. If any product is damaged means you have to repair or warranty like that. Is a durability. Also another service, the ability to repair product quickly and easily. If a developed product is used by customers, after 1 year or 2 years, the product they have some problem means you have to rectify the problems very quick and easily. Response. So human relations with the customers. That is the response. The customer asks any queries to the company, the company must immediately respond to the customers. Okay. Aesthetic. That is a sensory features. Aesthetic is nothing but a sensory features. That means a humans like colors and then feeling, smell, sound like that. So it should be positive colors or positive smells or positive sound like that. Okay, so that is the sensory features. Your product must have some look, color like that, fashion or some look, and then good feeling, and then good smell, and then without any noise. That's a sound. This is aesthetics. Another one is reputation. Reputation is nothing but a past performance or company image. That's a branded product. So the customer says once the product is delivered or 1 year after 1 year, it's a very quality product means the customer named as it's a reputed product like that. So customer himself named it's a branded product like that. There is a best performance and a company image. So this is about the quality of the dimensions of the quality. Okay, so thank you.